Hey everybody, it's Lisa. Hope everybody's doing good today. This is Joyfully Art. Welcome back. Let me get my gloves on. Hope everybody's having better weather than we are. It's really cold again and rainy here in Illinois. I hope it's better weather wherever you're at. I want to thank you for coming back and watching my video. All right, this is a painting from my last video. I really like it. It turned out pretty good. Nice and dry. So if you're interested, like I said in my last video, I have a Google phone number now down at the bottom in the description box. You can just call it if you're interested in anything before it gets in my Etsy shop. Okay, this is a 10 by 20, I believe. And it had been painted on before. And I did some balloon kisses on it, and it made little ridges. But I've gessoed it several times, so I don't know if the ridges will show up or not. But we'll give it a good try. So it's just kind of a play day. Don't really know how it'll turn out or what it'll look like. Just gonna give it a shot of doing something. I don't know. And my colors have been already mixed, so I'm not really sure what they all are, but I will look them up and make sure that they're in the description box. I know this is unbleached titanium that I'm gonna put down as my base, which I forgot to bring anything to spread it out with. I might not even have enough of the paint to do it, so scrape it all out. Make sure I have enough to cover my canvas. I can use this stick. Look, I got some smuts going on in here someplace. Got my TV hooked up so I can see what I'm doing on the other side. All right, that looks okay. We'll be putting other colors down anyway. All right, let's give it a torch. It does have air bubbles in it. Alrighty then. Okay, what I'm gonna do is just put some color down and kind of move it around. This is not sure, but I will find out the colors for you. I know this is a carnation pink, but I'm not sure who it's from. And this is a Naples yellow. Used to be one of my favorite colors. And this is ooh, this is really full. A lake blue. My cups are getting really mushy. I'm gonna have to transfer them into different cups. And this is a Mars Black. I'm not even letting you see the colors, I'm sorry. This is a Mars Black, and I did put some dioxazine purple, I think that's how you say it, in with it. Just as a little contrast for it. And I just have a little tiny bit of this, it is metallic white. I don't have very much left, so we're just gonna drizzle that there at the top. All right, let's just see what we can accomplish with this. I'm not in frame very well, I'm sorry about that. Go back down this way some. I hate that I can't stand up anymore. To do my paintings, it was a lot easier to be able to stand up. Move it back down this way. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. I know I want some negative space left. Get my hands wiped off. I can really tell what's going on. Oh, goodness. Okay, I really like how that white has done its little wispies down through there. Oops, that was silly. Got my finger stuck in there. I like how that's gone down in there. That's really pretty. I like how that's kind of made a mountain range there. Let's give it a torch and see if anything shows up. I think that's kind of pretty. Make it still come down some more on this side. I really like how that's coming down on that side. Go. I really like that, how it's coming down in the things like that. And the white cascading over into the black and the purple. I really like this. I wish you guys could talk. Tell me what you all think. My sides are good. I saw some right in there that wasn't covered. I can fix all that when I'm all done. I really like it, and I think it covered the spots that I was worried about really well. So I think that's it. I think I'm done. Well, I want to thank you all for being here with me today. My little experiment adventure. There's a close-up. I hope you all like it. I said I have my Google number. That will be down in the description. So if you like it and want to put your name on it before it goes on my Etsy store, just give me a call and we will work out the details on it. That's for sure. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate everybody that watches my videos. And that's about it. Have a great day.